What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to edit your control center on iPhone, aka the swipe down menu. So once you swipe down, you can see this is what mine looks like right now. There's only a couple icons at the bottom there, just the ones that I use on the regular, none of the other ones I really need. But if you do want to add some more, there's a simple way to do this. You're just going to head over to your settings. Once you're in your settings, you're just going to scroll down a little bit, and then right under general, there is an option for the control center. This is what the swipe down menu is called if you didn't already know that. And then from here, control center, there's a couple things that you could edit there at the top. I don't really play with those, but once you scroll down, this is what you're going to be looking for. There's a ton of different things if you want to add your alarm, your dark mode, some guided access, the do not disturb while driving feature. I'm just going to add a couple random ones like the dark mode and the alarm. And then you could see once I swipe down and they're added, a few more icons appear at the bottom of the screen. And those are the ones I just added. Now, as you can see, I'm just going to delete them because I don't like those. And then they are gone now. You could edit or customize this control center at any time you want, so don't worry about making any final changes. This is completely customizable and is super helpful when you're on your iPhone trying to get to features that you just want to swipe down for. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you were confused or had any questions today, be sure to drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Da 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 da